We'll come to you. Athena is still with us. Weapons tight, and don't throw any shots.
We've lost contact with the German division commander. What's the status on the ground?
Tank column is down and we're getting overrun! This AO is lost!
Going after the daughter. We're gonna watch their backs. RPG, look out!
Bird is down! Bird is down!
Metal 1 is on the deck. Viper 5 going into holding pattern.
To the roof! Keep moving! Go, go! Up the stairs! Secure this area fast! This is Metal 01, roof secure. Green light on Granite. Frost, get on Overwatch! Granite 01, we're in position.
Solid copy, 01. We'll relay.
Hostiles on the roof!
Granite 01, Overwatch established.
Copy that. We're inbound.
Got targets in the LZ. Missiles loose. Team is on the deck now.
We're taking fire!
Granite's got company! Doorway on the more! Keep them covered. You're clear, Granite. Keep moving.
He's on the roof!
Overlord, we have Russian tanks firing on Granite's position. Requesting fire mission.
Solid copy, 01. The air corridor is clear for our A-10s to commence gun runs.
Metal 01, this is Valkyrie 2-6 in the airspace and at your service. Standing by for you to mark the first target. I got a tally on the target.
Direct hit. 2 more tanks approaching. Take them out.
Metal 01, I'm standing by. Target acquired.
We'll take it from here. Armor's down, Granite. You're good. good to go.
Copy. Thanks for the assist. We owe you one.
Maintain eyes on the building.
Breaching now.
Granite, have you got eyes on Athena?
Affirmative. Shit, left side. Got two more. Get out. Get out.
Granite! Granite!
They're gone.
What the hell? Overlord, Granite team is down. I repeat, Eagle's down. We're going after Athena.
Affirmative, Sandman. Link up with the German tank column south of your position and proceed to the target building. Over.
Solid copy, Sandman out. Hook up, we need to hit the street. Hook up!
Got some casualties here.
Grab their patches and tags, and get Starbirds in here and get them out.
Roger. Sonic's team. Overlord, this is Meadow 02. I need an evac for 3 casualties. Coordinates follow. 7, Romeo, 851.
Copy that, 02. We'll send in a Starbird for evac.
Not a good day to be dealt.
American team, we have Russian armor firing on the bridge. We need you to take out that tank.